Hey, it's Xavier, and I want to show you a couple commercial vehicles that may work for you. So real quick, I want to show you just a few rapid fire, just vans that we have. Starting with the first one here. So this is our cargo van. It is in the 144 wheelbase. Next one I'm about to show you is the 170 wheelbase. Again, I'm starting with the cargo vans. So this is the 170 wheelbase. This is our biggest seller. You'll see Amazon vans having it. Many actually commercial vans are out there. Again, it's very versatile, very durable, known for its longevity. It is the top selling commercial van that's out there. And here I just want to walk around it so you can just see the space behind it. I'm about to show you the 170 where you can see the butt of it is extended. Sorry, I meant to say the 170 extended. And this one right here is the 170 extended. You can see that the rear of the vehicle has room for an additional pallet of cargo. Another one of our bread and butter is the passenger van. This one is in the 144 wheelbase. Right next to it is a van that is the bigger wheelbase, and it is the 170. So this is going to be the 12 passenger versus the 15 passenger. So now I want to show you the 170. This one is the largest. So it's going to have our 15 passenger as a standard on it. And again, just want to show you how the size difference between the two and how it just adds additional row. But if you're definitely hauling the most people, some people have like these shuttle buses. That's what you'll see what this version is. Next, I just want to show you some of our work trucks, and this is on the Sprinter cab chassis, and there's a nap pipe box that's added to it. Again, it's for utility use, again for plumbers, electricians, businesses like that. So again, next is our enclosed tool truck. And again, this would be used for service and repair trucks, electrical and plumbing contractors, maybe mobile workshops. Again, things that have to be enclosed on the inside, not necessarily open to the weather environment. Hey, so that's just some of our fleet. I do have additional vehicles. If you want additional details on any of our cars, my name is Xavier. Thank you for watching. My contact information will be in the video description.